Check your Shibaswap right now just to make sure you have your Ryoshi Vision tokens that's in your Shibaswap. Now, I got it in two places. I have it on my Wallet Connect that you see here. And then when I go to my on my Coinbase wallet, I also have it in there as well. So we have over 28 million that's there. But I know you should have 14 million because remember, it says this, Satoshi said this, that request rewards to be evenly sent or distributed, which requires a rework on our system, which meaning all our SHIB holders, 80,000 plus egg SHIB holders in Shibaswap will be receiving this. And according to this, it says every week. And let's talk about it. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Adam Shelton, 𝐿 is here right now. I'm excited. I've got over 28 million this week Ryoshi Vision right in Shibaswap, and I know you at least have over 14 million because it did say this. It says 80 plus million X SHIB holders, which meaning it's evenly sent out, distributed out. So it doesn't matter if you have a 1 billion SHIB burying, it doesn't matter if you have 1 million SHIB being buried, it's evenly. And this makes it really good for everybody that has a big bag or has a small bag. But this is one reason why I love Ryoshi Vision, and it's one of the most underrated assets that's helping the Shibaswap ecosystem. 1% of every transaction gets redistributed, resent to everyone who has buried SHIB on Shibaswap. 1% of every transaction gets burnt to the SHIB address forever. So this means this tokenomics in Ryoshi Vision is really, really cool, and it's good because it's rewarding people just by holding it, just by hodling. It even said it right there. So now, not only is it a SHIB army, but it's the Ryoshi army that's working together, it seems like. And now you got people who's using the Shibaswap get a chance to get rewarded just with Ryoshi Vision tokens. Now you could be thinking, how much value is this as well? Well, here's the thing about it. If you're getting this every week, because it did say your Wolf Ryoshi will be released weekly for the next 6 months. That adds up, compounds over time. And if you look at the price of Ryoshi Vision, it's gonna go up a little bit. It's gonna go up because of the movement and the demand. Now people are gonna start to look to get Ryoshi Vision. In fact, I'm looking to add more to my bag here soon because I really feel like it's really good for the SHIB holders as a whole. It's good for the Shibaswap as a whole. It is good for it because, just like I said in the tokenomics, 1% of every transaction gets redistributed to everyone who has buried SHIB on Shibaswap. So it's good for there as well. So for me, I'm looking at this, I'm like, okay, this is passive income. In my opinion, yes, you have your bone rewards and you have your other rewards that you're getting on a weekly or bi-weekly basis, but now you can start looking at the Ryoshi Vision and now taking this very, very seriously because people have been sleeping on this. They've been literally sleeping on this. And I have not been sleeping on this because I see the value of this. And how you buy this, you probably be thinking, you can just swap it right in Shibaswap, just like that. If you got Ethereum, you just look for Shibaswap, look for the Ryoshi Vision. You click on there, you just find it right there and you can swap it just like that. That's it. So the best area to get it, in fact, the only place you can get it is in Shibaswap. Think about this, Bone and Leash. It's really the main areas you can get those two items. It's really Shibaswap. Yeah, I know Uniswap, but Shibaswap. And people are sleeping on this because, yes, Shiba's not getting the price action that you want. Ryoshi Vision, Leash, and Bone's not giving the price action right now. But think about it. Rome was not built in a day. You don't become wealthy in a day unless you just got inherited that money. But this is all a strategy, and it's a long-term strategy. And if you stay focused, watch videos like this, because I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing, even though this is not any financial advice, but this can really be something really, really special in the future. And I can't get over this. Everyone will be getting Ryoshi Vision tokens. Does not matter how big is your portfolio. And Shibaswap, but you have to use Shibaswap and you have to be an ex-SHIB holder, which is basically bearing your SHIB. So if I go back over here one more time, let me look again. You see this? Check it out and see if you got that as well. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. I'm so excited about this. Don't forget, check and see what you have. And do not sleep on this either. Don't sleep on Webull and Shiba. I've been doing videos explaining this, that this is coming very, very soon. It's in beta testing, just like Ryoshi Vision, just like E-Toro listing, and just like the upcoming Webull listing. Don't sleep on all these things. I will get SHIB on Webull. I will start a Webull account today by clicking on the link below. And then I will deposit $5 to $10 in your Webull account, which is not very much money, but then you get stocks. You get stocks with that. We will just give that to you just by depositing that. Now you can take those stocks, you can swap it out, cash it out. There's no reason why everybody watching this video should not have a Webull account and also be in a position to buy Shiba if you can and deposit at least $5 to $10 into your account for you to get some stocks. And that stocks can be a value up to $2,000. So just don't wait. I'm just saying, I'm not doing this for my help. I'm doing this to really help you. So go ahead and click on that link below. Do that, and also check your Shibaswap to make sure you have the Ryoshi Vision tokens. And I'll see you on the next video.